My Culture by Amanda. Introduction. Hi, my name is Amanda. You will learn something about me. If you want to know more about me, ask and I will answer. Surface culture language. I speak English to my siblings, but sometimes when I don't know how to say a word in English, then I'll say it in Hmong. My parents speak Hmong, however, they do understand some basic English. I typically speak Hmong when talking to my parents. Surface culture food. I'm a picky eater, so I normally eat Asian food. My favorite food is kapon. My favorite drink is nava. In my culture, we eat rice with almost every meal, but I like to eat it with meat. Surface culture holidays. My family celebrates many of the American holidays, such as Thanksgiving and Christmas. We also enjoy holidays like Valentine's Day, but we typically just gather together and enjoy each other's company. The holiday we enjoy the most in my culture is the Hmong New Year. Surface culture flags. My parents were born in Laos. Because my family is originally from Laos, I feel that the flag represents me. The flag also reminds me of my grandpa who passed away there. Surface culture music TV. I like Hmong songs. I like all kinds of shows and movies. I do not like country songs. Deep culture communication style. I prefer to speak in person rather than over the phone. I feel it's easy to talk to friends, but it's harder to talk to Hmong people who prefer to get right to the point. Deep culture religious beliefs. I grew up speaking Hmong. My beliefs are truth, family, and working together. Deep culture personal space. It depends who I'm with. Yes, I love giving hugs and high fives. I'm okay with it being crowded. Deep culture manners. It's important to be respectful when you're in another house, saying how are you in a good way. Say thank you to people who give you things. I do not like it when people just grab your food. I also do not like people who just come to your house and act like it's their house and people who copy what you said. Thank you.